So this one here is a hanging pod swing. It holds up to 175 pounds. So this is the instruction for the installation. Yes. So it has the pod swing, and then this one here is the air pump. This is the inflatable cushion, the nylon rope with the hardware inside. That's a lot of stuff, babe. I don't know if I can make this. So first step says use the air pump to inflate cushion. You wanna help Mama?
Yes.
Sure. Come here. Am I doing this correct? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, I did it. My goodness. But it's working, babe, yeah? Look at that.
It's a computer! Where's Sienna?
Where's Sienna?
Sienna!
Oh my god, you have to push it hard. Very good.
Sienna pasa dentro.
Almost. Okay, maybe this is enough. Wow, it's so cool. The air is gonna come out. It says unzip the pod swing and insert the cushion. Make sure to zip it back. Sophia chose the color.
Pink.
Yes, color pink. Zipper. Oh, here. Here. You have to help Mama put that here, okay? Inside. It's so big though.
Yes.
But I think we can push. I think we shouldn't have fully inflated it.
Yes.
Okay. Mistake. We have to release some air first, or else it's not gonna fit. How are we supposed to do that? Here. Okay. Push. Let's try this one. Oh, we did it, babe!
Wow!
Now we have to pump it again. Okay, that's it.
Dove sono le stazioni? Ok. Le prendo e le passo.
Yes, we did it. And we have.
Che bello questa palla di biscotto.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Wow, we're ready.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay, next is indoors or outdoors. We are not gonna put this inside the house, so we have to choose the number 4. Outdoors, tighten nylon rope into a tree branch. Make sure it bears the maximum weight capacity, which is 175 pounds, and suspension hook and pod swing.
I do it.
So what are we supposed to use in here? I guess we can use this one only because we already have
Yes.
something in there. In the garden. Am I doing this correctly? I don't know. Here. I think this would be enough. There you have it. Let's go to the garden, babe. Come on. Come here. careful. Okay, let's go, babe.